Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how we've been dividing in class with estimating quotients for greater dividends. So we're using things in vocabulary like compatible numbers. We talk about how compatible numbers might not necessarily round to the nearest 5 or the nearest 10. They're just numbers that help us create a fact family. They divide into a number equally. They're overall just easier to work with. So our problem right now is 2,356 divided by 6. So I tell students when working with these larger numbers to focus on the largest two, so the thousands place and the hundreds place in this case, and it forms the number 23. So then students are asking, 6 times what gets me really close to 23? I encourage them to write out their math facts and their multiples of 6 here. So 6 times 1 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. 6 times 3 equals 18. 6 times 4 equals 24. And in this case, they should stop and realize, okay, 24 is very close to 23. So that's the fact I'm going to use. So 6 times what equals 24? Oh, it was 4. So we write that down. And then we have these extra 2 digits right here. So then we add on 2 zeros in our answer. So 2,356 divided by 6 is about 400. And we relate that back to multiplication. And we check it really quick. So 400 times 6, just to see if our answer is reasonable. Well, 4 times 6 is 24. Add on your 2 zeros. 2,400, very close to our original 2,356. Let's try one more problem together. So I'm just going to generate a new problem here. So 423 divided by 4. So in this case, I always tell them that they can look at the first two numbers, but using my number sense here, I'm realizing that the first digit is a 4 and I'm dividing by 4. So I can just look at it. I don't even need to look at the whole 42. So in this case, I would list my facts, which is going to be pretty short here. 4 times 1 equals 4. So 4 times what equals 4? 1. And then you have these two numbers here. So you just add on those 2 zeros. And then just a quick check to see if it's reasonable. You do 4 times 100, which equals 400, which is very close to our beginning of 423.